Greetings traders. Today we want to look at how to add indicators on expert option, and to get started we shall click on expert option application. Right, so let's go there and you will land on this interface. Right, only that mine is also customized using a candlestick chart, but for you are going to see an area chart. And should you wish to change it, you just tap here on the left and you are going to see the option of changing it. Again, go here, right, tap there, and you are going to see these graph types. So like me, I chose candlesticks, or which is a candlestick chart. For you, if you like an area chart, you can go here. If you like line chart, you can use this one. Okay, and after that you click on confirm. And to add indicators, again, you come back here on the left, right, and you click there. You're going to see the second option from up, which is this one, right, and you click there. You are going to see all the indicators that expert option has. For example, it has the alligator, it has awesome, oscillator, Bollinger Bands, fractal, Macid, moving average, parabolic cell, and RSI. So that's the relative strength index. And if you have been trading forex, and you see that actually all of these indicators are familiar with us. Let me begin from the bottom and I show you how to use each of them. So let me just go to RSI, this one, relative strength index. Let's go there. When you click there, you are going to see the settings you are supposed to use, like the 14 period, which is by default, then the color, the level 70 and level 30. And what this means, like when it is a level 30, it is oversold, and level 70, it is overbought. So when it is overbought, it means price is likely to drop and you sell. And when it is oversold, then price is likely to buy by going up. So if you confirm those colors, let's just hit confirm here. So let's click there and we see. So for example, you can see we are on this chart once again with our indicator called RSI, which is relative strength index, and by 30%, as I told you, that it means it is oversold, and price when it reaches there, it's likely to begin buying. All right, okay, so that's how you add that indicator. So price is here in the middle. For now, we cannot take a trade like this one. It is still in the middle, so you can't take a trade. Okay, if you want to customize the settings, you know how to change the time frames, etc. I made a video on expert option. You can go and check it out to learn more, but today we are just looking at how to add indicators. So let's get back and we add an indicator number 2, right? And if you want to delete the other one, you just go here on added one and you will click on this X, right? So let's click there. The list is empty, so let's add another one. So now we can add a parabolic cell, this one. I began from the bottom going up. Let's add. So these are the settings by default. If you want, you can change them, but I just want to leave them by default. You click on confirm. Okay, so this is a parabolic cell. So essentially what this means, when you are trading using a parabolic cell, where these arrows are pointing, that means price is likely to go in a different direction. Okay, you can see price is trying to go up. So when they begin popping up at the bottom, it means price is likely to buy. When they are at the top, then price is likely to drop. You can see. Are you seeing, guys? And moreover, you can see this reversal candle forming. Okay, So when they begin coming at the top, like what it did, it means price is likely to drop. When they begin showing at the bottom, then price is likely to buy. That's how you use it. You can see what is happening now. All right, now you can see if this candle closes bearish, then they remain at the, you can see they are now coming back like this, so which means you can say, all right, so that's how you use a parabolic SAR. Let's get back to another indicator. You can see how cool they are, and they can help you to win trades. Then the other one is a moving average, but let me first delete this one as well. Okay, let's go to moving average, which is this one. I think most of you know a moving average. You click there, you know it is 14 period. You can even change it to 20 if you like, or you can change it to 5, whichever. Let me just make it 20 moving average. Simple moving average. There is also this one and this one, but let's go with the simple moving average. In the color you can change it, and by changing the color you can just tap here. Okay, just tap there and change one of your choice. Let me just change it to blue. Thereafter you click on confirm. So I have confirmed. So which means if price is above this one and comes rejects this moving average here, like price is coming back, then to reject this moving average, I can buy since we are in an uptrend. So you can see price is already above the moving average, so I'll be waiting for a retest on this moving average like this, then I can join the move. But when it closes below, then I can begin looking for sellers, right? And by sellers, that is clicking on sell. By buys, you can click on buy, as simple as that. So we can go to MACD, which is this one. So click there and you can see the periods, the settings, first period, slow period, signal period 9. So this and the colors you can leave it. So after that, let me just leave it on default. You can click on confirm as well. You can see this is the MACD. So the moment you see these bars are oversold, let me just show you. These bars stop something like here, then expect some bullish scenarios. Okay, but let's see. You can see this line, the blue one. So if price touches here, if this bars touches here, that's when price is likely to go up until we manifest something like this. Alright, so let's go to another one, another indicator. Let's go to fractal. Under fractal, you can see the colors we have. You click on confirm and we see. So these are the fractals. Let me first delete the other one. I have just the ones I have just put on so that we can see clearly the fractal indicator. Okay, let me get clear. Delete the moving average and that of MACD. So we remain with that of fractal. So with fractals, there are these ones, these symbols. The moment you also see it at the top, that means price is likely to drop. When you see it at the bottom, price is likely to go up. Okay, you can see what's happening here. So the moment you see it here, you begin looking for buys. When you see it at the top, then it is likely to do what? To sell. So that's how we use it, and you can see the magic that is happening, of course, how accurate they are becoming. So let's go to another one. Okay, so we are done with the fractals. Let me go to the next one, which is Bollinger Bands, right? I hope most of you know Bollinger Bands. You can see the setting period 25, deviation 3, color, you can leave it like that. Then after that, you click on confirm. So you can see this is how a Bollinger Bands looks, and these are the bands, right? Like the edge is the bands. So the moment price reaches here, it usually bounces, and when it reaches here, you can as well buy. buy when it is here on these bands, lower bands, and when it reaches the upper bands, you can sell. As simple as that. And when it is in the middle, you can leave price to play out. So like here, you are supposed to sell here, right? And let's see another scenario. If you can go back, you also buy when price is here. Okay, so that's how Bollinger Bands work. Right, let's go to the next one. Let's go to Awesome Oscillator, but let's first delete the Bollinger Band. Awesome Oscillator. Then let's go to Awesome Oscillator, click there, then confirm. The period 1 is 5, period 2 34. The colors, you can leave everything to default, then you click on confirm. This is how the oscillator looks like. Again, when a price reaches this ends, whenever you see the bars touching here at the bottom, the final edges, you can expect a bump. And this is what happened here, right? The same applies when you find that price is reaching these edges, you can sell. All right, so like here, you can buy. Okay, you can enter into a buy, and you see, right? That's how it works. So when it reaches this side, like what happened here, you can sell. Okay, all right, so let's go to the other one, which is the last one actually. We'll go to alligator. Let me first delete this one. The alligator, it's here, which is the final indicator we are going to look at. The period is 13, shift 8, and then this is the color, right? The teeth, the shift, and the color as well. So you can leave everything to default, then you click on confirm. All right, so this is the alligator, and what essentially means price should not close below this one. So if it rejects these two lines of the alligator, then you can buy. Okay, if it comes back to retest, that's when you can buy. Or if it comes and it closes past these alligators, you can buy. When it closes below, you can sell. All right. So that's how an alligator, like what is happening here, price has closed below. So if this rejects, this candle rejects and closes around here, we can enter into a sell. That's how this works. I hope you have been able to know how to add indicators and how to use them so that you can profit from expert option, right? Until next time, keep winning.